Hi everyone. If your video clip looks a little shaky or unstable, I'll show you a quick and easy way to fix it in Adobe Premiere Pro. To get started, go to the window menu and make sure the effects panel is enabled. Once the panel is open, type Warp Stabilizer into the search bar to find the effect. Simply drag and drop it onto your video clip. Next, open the Effect Controls panel to access the stabilization settings. Under the Warp Stabilizer options, expand the Advanced settings and change Rolling Shutter Ripple to Enhanced Reduction for smoother and more professional results. You can also increase the Crop Less-Smooth More value to around 80% to keep more of the frame while improving stability. The effect may take a few moments to analyze and stabilize your footage. And that's it. Here's the before, and here's the after. The difference is easy to see. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thank you for watching.